Hello YouTube, making another video of a socket set that I just purchased today. I gave $7.99 for it. It says it's about $19.99 online from Powerbuilt Zeon. It's an 8-piece set and it's all metric. As you can see, it has 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14 and 15 and 19. It comes in this nice little carrying case here that it's in. Turn it over. It's Powerbuilt. $5 millimeter, 8 millimeter, 10 millimeter, 12 millimeter in a 1/4-inch drive, in 13 millimeter, 14 millimeter, 15 millimeter, and 19 millimeter in 3/8 drive. Made in Taiwan. It's supposed to take out 85% of rounded bolts. Model number is 941322. Looks like they're pretty nice sockets. Okay, YouTube, subscribe, and thanks for watching.